Hi, my name's Katie, and I'm one of the attorneys at the Liker Law Firm. And one of the questions we're asked most often is, how will credit be affected by filing for bankruptcy? The answer is that it depends on the situation of your credit prior to the time of filing. Credit is calculated using 5 factors: your payment history, the amounts that you owe, the length of your credit history, and the amount of new credit that you have, as well as types of credit that you use. The two biggest factors are your payment history and the amounts owed. Many people worry about the impact that filing will have on their credit. Bankruptcy is visible for 7 to 10 years. However, it is important to note that everything you do is visible for 7 to 10 years. So anytime you're making a late payment or you're missing a payment, that's going to be visible for 7 to 10 years. So truthfully, if you're making several late payments or you're missing several payments a month, you're probably doing more damage to your credit that way than filing for your bankruptcy. Filing for bankruptcy is a one-time hit, and it is visible for that 7 to 10 year period like everything else, but it's not actually calculated into your score for the full 7 to 10 years. The other thing is that the two biggest areas, the biggest factors in calculating your credit score are your payment history, which is about 35%. So those continued late and missed payments are having a drastic damaging effect on your credit. And about 30% of your credit score is the amounts that you owe. So filing for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is going to eliminate, or at least drastically reduce, depending on your secured debt, what you actually owe. So that's 30% of your credit score, and that might actually go up with filing. In some situations, we see people that their overall credit score increases after filing, depending on what damage they had done to the credit prior. We certainly can't guarantee that your credit will improve, but we can get you on the right track to making good financial decisions and getting there. The best thing you can do to increase your credit score is to make payments on time. So when you file for bankruptcy, afterwards you may want to look into getting small lines of credit, things that you can pay off every month. And you pay those at least your minimum payment, preferably more, and you pay those on time, and that's going to start improving your credit. We're often also asked about things like houses and cars, major investments. More often than not, we do see that lenders are willing to work with you, and particularly certain lenders will specialize in this. And if you need some recommendations on who to speak to, you can certainly ask your attorney about that. Filing for bankruptcy is a good first step to eliminating or reducing your debt, and then coupled with good decision-making, informed and educated decision-making, you're going to get on the right step to living a debt-free and financially stable and secure life from here forward. If you do still have questions or would like to set up a consultation, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.